Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start Electrical Engineering Easy Guide. Start by learning circuit basics and practicing hands-on breadboard projects to build intuition. I'll walk you through key concepts, tools you need, and simple experiments you can do at home. Stay curious, focus on fundamentals, and schedule regular practice sessions. Join beginner forums and share your projects to accelerate learning and gain helpful feedback. Build a solid foundation by focusing on a few core topics at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. I recommend spending focused sessions on circuit analysis, signal types, and semiconductor behavior. Use visual simulations alongside physical builds to reinforce concepts and check your intuition. Regularly revisit fundamentals to connect new topics with what you already know. This approach keeps progress steady and confidence growing as projects get more complex. Gather a few essential tools and reliable learning resources to make steady progress without breaking the bank. Start with a quality multimeter, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a basic soldering kit. Combine online courses, simulation tools, and project guides for a balanced mix of theory and practice. Plan small, achievable projects and document what you learn. That documentation becomes a reference and shows your progress to others and future employers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.